says. Um, this the purpose of this video is on how to create your wallet on Trust Wallet. So Trust Wallet is like a wallet where you store your crypto coins or assets. See it as your colo where you put your money. So um now this for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be creating a new wallet. And although I have a new wallet which I already created, but I shouldn't have done that. So I'll probably be creating a new wallet for the purpose of this video to actually show you guys how it is done. So without much further ado, let's move into the video. So same way, I'm going to go to Play Store first if you don't have the video, so for you to actually get the correct Trust Wallet. So all right, so you go to Play Store, iOS Store. Before now, the dapps browser was removed from iOS devices, but I think the feature will soon be enabled again from this month, middle of this month. So now you go to Trust Wallet. Okay, you can see now I have the app already. So 918K reviews, and we are having like 4.4 positive star, which is like 88%. That's like an excellent review of it. 10 million plus downloads of Trust Wallet. So you can see it's really cool. So you download it, this is the Trust Wallet, search for it, and then you download the app. So now I'm going to go back to my cash flow and money, or money and cash flow folder. So all right, so let's assume you've downloaded the Trust Wallet now. So you just open it. You definitely not have this on your own. You have to set it yourself. So let me use pin. I'm going to have to pause the video on that. So input my pin. All right, so this is what you would have. So for instance, if you probably changed your device, and you have a wallet already, the next thing I'm going to say is actually what you're going to input. So, but let's assume you don't have and you're just creating your first one. So you create a new wallet. Now back up your wallet. Now in the next step, you see secret phrase, 12 words that allows you to recover a wallet. So probably you change your device, and then you know you cannot definitely not transfer the account. You have to actually, just like the way you change device and then you have to sign up into your apps again, it's the same way you use those 12 words to actually recover those this your wallet back. Please ensure to keep it safe, probably in your Google Drive or in your Gmail, like a cloud storage, because if you lose it and then you have funds in it, your your funds are gone forever. You get. So now this is it. If I lose my, so yeah, sure, you can see now they already told you. So these are the um these are the 12 secret phrase for this my wallet, which I assume that you will see similar thing when you are actually creating your own. Also, do not share to anybody your secret phrase, the password to your trading account and all of that, especially if you are, don't share to anybody because you can't trust anybody. So yeah, so you can just copy it. I'll copy it now and paste it in my Gmail. So copy. You can copy it anywhere you like, maybe a diary that you know it will be safe forever or something, anywhere you so like, but I advise to save it either in your cloud storage or Google Drive or your Gmail. So I'm going to copy this now. All right, so you copy it somewhere, but one thing is that even if you're copying it to your mail or your notepad or something, you need to ensure that you have the idea of the pattern in which is follow the numbers 1 2 3 4. Okay, you get now. So something like that. Now I'm not going to be using this wallet address, definitely. You get, I'm not going to be using, because every single one on this can actually see this wallet address, this secret phrase. So but for the purpose of doing it yourself, please don't divulge it or give the information to anybody. So because you are going to need to rearrange it like a Scrabble, rearrange it in the next slide. So since I've copied it, so continue. So now it's going to say you should actually like arrange it the way it follows. So greet, lottery, simple, subway, wink, acoustic, C, silver, cable, pulse, course, salt. You can see that I arranged it. If it was not done the way it was given to you, you have to keep on trying. So until you get it. So important you write it down. So you can see now done. So you can see these are the coins, natural coins that are actually there for now. You get now. This is Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, and BSC. That's Binance Smart Chain, but don't let me stress you on that one. So or let me just give a brief. So BNB is BSC is like a smart contract net. Don't let me stress you on that. So yeah, so this is Bitcoin here now. You can see now. So let's assume that I have a particular amount of Bitcoin here, maybe 0.01 on this place. It will be show it will show the amount as well as the currency value of that amount I have. So I can decide to send it to someone by copying the person's address, maybe Bitcoin address, maybe on an exchange, or I want to sell to someone wants to send to me. I want to send to someone, so I can decide to. I'll just copy the person's Bitcoin address, paste it here. The amount of BTC I want to send, maybe I want to send out of the 0.02 or something, maybe 0.01, 40.01. Assuming so, it should just show continue. Okay, maybe okay. I'm coming. Don't let me bother you on this one too much. So it will show it will show that okay, put the person's recipient address. Then on the next slide, it will show you the amount you'll be putting for transaction fee. If it is $2, if it's $3, you get now. It will show it, and then you can actually send to the person. Similar with all other coins here. So now if someone wants to now send to you, what you just do, you just click on receive, and then you copy this address and then you send to the person. If someone want to send BTC to you, if it is Ethereum, you copy use. If you want to send similarly, if you want to receive, you copy this address, send to the person, and then that's all. While to actually add other coins, you can as well come in. To add other coins, you go to this toggle bar here and then click on it. So you keep on adding. Probably you want to add maybe one coin that you have, maybe Luna. You want to add Terra Luna, you can see here now. You can decide to add Terra Luna, so you just click on it. Probably someone told you, or I told you to add a coin, so you can see it here now, Terra Luna. You can decide to add from this place. This option is for swapping, but I'm not really sure I'm going to bother you with that. So I'm not going to bother you with that. So notification, nothing yet, because I don't even have anything on this app. So this is how your own is going to be. NFTs are non-fungible fungible tokens, which I spoke about in the last video, but you need not bother yourself on that. I said it's good for photographers as well as art collectors. Then if you actually want to delve into it, it shouldn't be the first thing you're going to delve into, because um you know there are lots of supplies, but you never know what is unique to people. That's it. You can't put the price to art. You might think yours is very unique and might not make sense, while to someone that probably something so um vague and unclear might be. So it's not something that you should start from. So this is for the NFT. So you just go to the open c.io. That's probably the first and the major one where people mint and sell list their NFTs for sales. So this discover, let's see what it does. All right, so these are some other features, DeFi features generally. So but don't let me stretch you on that. So dApps, this is the browser. This is the browser of this thing, Trust Wallet. So this, in this place, you can connect your tokens, like you can connect your this, for instance now, OpenSea is an NFT marketplace built on Ethereum blockchain. You get? So what that means is that most is only Ethereum transaction. You can only mint with Ethereum as a coin, and you can also receive at Ethereum. So with this now, I'll just connect my Ethereum network. You get? So these are some network, Binance Smart, just like Ethereum network now. If you want to send card to someone, or you want to recharge card, you can't recharge MTN. You can't recharge MTN with um you can't recharge Airtel with MTN. It will not go. Invalid pin. If it is MTN too, you can't recharge it with Airtel pin. So similarly too, if this was a platform where you can only use maybe BSC for it to swap or something, it's BSC that are going to enable here. So it will just connect your wallet. Let's say that you know you have you have BTC, you have Ethereum, you have BSC. So you just connect to this place, show your balance. So it is through your, it will just remove it automatically when you are trying to do a transaction through that your current balance. So I hope you understand what I'm trying to say with this. So on anything generally through crypto, maybe you want to connect your wallet, you need to connect in your wallet. This, you come to the browser, you instead of actually using actual money to do it, so it is your crypto um balance on the network in which that platform transaction is done, that you're going to connect. So if it is maybe any of this, again, you can actually search for anyone too, but most times we'll be using Ethereum and Smart Chain. Any other subsequent one will be communicated to you. So yeah, so that's basically how to use um okay, settings. You can put dark mode if you wish. You can see now dark mode, price alert, Twitter, their Twitter community and the likes. So this is it. So these are some of my wallets. So I just created this new one. So yeah, so basically that's basically how to use Trust Wallet. And so this is the video and services.